The video is about removing Finderflash.club pop-up windows, and actually Finderflash.club is a browser hijacker. It changes the default search engine settings, and whenever you submit any search queries, you may notice that the results are delivered by some other unfamiliar search engines. Obviously, that's because of Finderflash.club hijacker and its activity in your browser. If you are not happy with all these alterations into the way your browser operates, we recommend you to remove this hijacker. Access the menu, go to More Tools, Extensions, then disable and delete any third-party extensions if you find them. Now, to be convinced that the system is free of any other threats, I recommend that you research it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get Combo Cleaner on the official page combocleaner.com. Download it, install the software, and begin examining your computer. This application will help you to effectively locate and eliminate other threats. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.